Once in a while, I stumble upon a rare, insightful Reddit post that makes me sit back and think about the large world around me and how interconnected we all are, how some comments, thoughts, or ideas could transcend time and space itself. Most recently, I found this post while scrolling through one of my personal favorite subreddits, r/financial independence. It's a beautifully written stroll through the subreddit from its earliest of days. The original poster is one of the OGs and took us back in time to understand how the subreddit had grown and changed over the years and throughout its many worldly disasters that came throughout that time. TLDR, people's views change. The blogs, videos, news we consume all changes. The stock market inevitably changes too. But despite all these changes, there remains a true and constant lesson from the wisdom and guidance taken from the r/financial independence subreddit. That is, to truly be financially independent yourself, you have to be happier with less, be frugal, and aim for sustainability in your life. It made me incredibly curious to explore and understand how other subreddits had morphed and shifted to where it is today. What other major lessons could we draw over the history of these discussions that are timeless as well? I tried out the tool that he had suggested at the bottom of his own post, Push Shift, but it seems like it had been down for a little bit now. And my goal with this short project is to build something similar, something we can use to easily look back in time and give context to the changes that slowly took place in these subreddits. For the MVP, it will most likely start as a tool just to collect data and to visualize the posts and comments over time. I'll use that to manually summarize my findings, but as time goes on, we can definitely see uses for automating the process through some natural language processing or other machine learning techniques. We're also starting Season 3 of Chronic Coder Academy soon, where we bring together developers itching to apply their ideas and UX designers itching to test these ideas out with the world. This whole video series will be a tutorial on building an end-to-end MVP from scratch for them or anyone interested to look to for guidance. Just to be clear, I'll try to make this as simple as possible so that anyone can take any individual part of the series and integrate it with their own projects. I'll hopefully make my videos much shorter too. Anyway, we'll be going over every single aspect of putting together a simple MVP, from data scraping to storage to API building to the front-end frameworks to deployment. That being said, if you're interested in this project, learning about building ML MVPs in general, or are just productively procrastinating, subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.